Hey guys, hi. Welcome to the CS Matter YouTube channel. My name is Pankaj and today I came with very important topic. Guys, most of the time we forgot the password for WordPress admin and unable to log in, right? But in this video I will tell you the trick that how you can recover your password and how you can change your password for the WordPress admin and able to log in. So let's dive into the practical. But guys, before diving into the practical, just subscribe this channel, like this video and share this video so that this video will reach to more and more students and learn it. Suppose this is my website, which is parcelrich.in. This is the website and we have the login ID and password like this. Okay, so I am going to log in here. Now just log in. Now can you see it is giving error, the username champion is not registered on your site. If you are unsure of your username, try your email address instead. Okay, so actually we forgot our ID and password. Now so what to do? So you have to go to your Cpanel. Okay, you have to go to your Cpanel, go to phpMyAdmin. Okay, once you go to your phpMyAdmin, you can see your database here. Okay, I built database parcel rich. Okay, I click it and can you see the WP users here? This is the WP users table. Just click on that. Now you can see there are two users. Okay, champions and it's DA Pankaj. This is the nickname and this is the password. Now we can't decrypt this password, right? So we have to create another password. Okay, for that you have to go to generate new password and we will generate new password. Just type in the Google WordPress password generator. Okay, now this is the WordPress password generator tool, which is usetools.com. This is the first link, just click on that. Okay, now this is the WordPress password hash generator. So just create the password here. Now let's create the password. Let's say reach parcel @1992. Okay, and just click on image verification, I am not a robot, and then generate hash. Okay, now this is your password. Okay, and this is your password hash which is generated here, and this is the SQL query. Okay, and this is the compatibility. Okay, which is WordPress 3.x, v4 and v5 and new versions. Okay, so it is compatible with our version, which is version 5.x. Okay, now just copy this. Okay, and go to here and can you see the username here, champions? I just go to edit and can you see the user password here? Just paste the password here and click on go. Okay, now you can see one row is affected, so your password is changed. Now can you see? Now just go to your login page and type the username, which was champions. Okay, and you created the password, which is reach parcel @1992. Just copy this and just paste here and just say login. Okay, it will ask for email verification. You can skip it, remind me later. And here we go, your dashboard is opened. So guys, I hope you like this video. So please subscribe this channel, like this video and share this video so that this video will reach to more and more students. Thank you so much.